I'll say if you're serious about trading and trying to make it as trying to make trading as a primary source of income or secondary, doesn't matter. But if you're serious about it, maybe you should think about joining the institute and learning from one of the best mentors in the stock market.
Hello, welcomes to all. Here is a student of ICFM Stock Market Trading Institute. So we get to know what his name and which location he came from and how was his experience in ICFM during the course.
Hi, my name is Mayank, and I came all the way from Indrapuram to learn about stock market and the derivative market. I got to learn a lot of things that I didn't know before, and I've got to say that my mind psychology towards trading has changed a lot since I wasn't trading independently anymore, and I got to trade with a bunch of friends, and having a mentor to guide you and help you understand the market better is actually something that everyone should consider. Awesome.
So which course you have done in ICFM?
I finished my certified pro trader course, which includes the technicals of equity market and derivative markets as well, and currency and commodities.
Okay, so how was the mentors there, with how helpful they are in ICFM?
They were quite helpful and friendly, and they helped us solve a lot of our problems and queries. Even though we asked a lot of questions, they were quite helpful.
Okay, so what about the trading software you got in trading preferences software you got for the during the journey of the course, which how it is helpful for you?
I'll say that replicating the market on a simulating software and getting an idea by trading on a sim software, it gives you a better understanding of the market, especially if you're on the derivatives, because you can't really tell it when you're doing it live. Like, you cannot really get to know the information while it's being processed, or like it's being given to you. So I think sim trading, getting a software beforehand and learning how to sim trade, it actually improves you in trade.
So would you recommend anyone of the viewers for the?
I'll say if you're serious about trading and trying to make trading as a primary source of income or secondary, doesn't matter. But if you're serious about it, maybe you should think about joining the institute and learning from one of the best mentors in the stock market in the country.
So how you come to know about ICFM?
I got to know about ICFM through Google. I Googled the institutes that were close to me. I saw the ratings, and then I got to choose SSC.
Okay. Congratulations, Mayank,
Thank you.
for completing your course of Certified Pro Trader in ICFM, and all the best for your trading journey.
Sure.
Okay.